The Premier says the return of holiday makers to the province is expected to exacerbate the situation, leading to a sharp increase in the infection rate.
It is that time of the year now. People are moving from the different parts of the country back to the province for work. And those who live here, we are expecting also that we are going to see increases in the West Rand on the basis of people returning to work, especially in those mining areas.
The Premier says their responses will be led by a scientific process, and that the Provincial Command Council will respond dynamically to the situation as the infection figures over the past 7 days have been rising steadily.
As we speak now, we have 50,000 active cases in Gauteng Province. Active cases are a very important measure of the pace of the pandemic. And this we do. It was 46,272 cases before yesterday's latest figure, and today is 50,000 cases. We are second to KwaZulu-Natal in terms of the number of active cases. We have just surpassed the Western Cape. This is an indication of where the province is going.
1 in every 4 South Africans live in Gauteng, leaving the province densely populated, which could lead to the easy spread of infections, an issue the Premier says is extremely concerning. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News, Johannesburg.
15,046 more people have contracted COVID-19 confirmed in South Africa in the last 24-hour cycle. That's increased the total number of recorded infections in the country to 1,246,643. South Africa is currently seeing a resurgence in the number of infections as the country battles a new variant of the virus. The total number of people who have died of coronavirus complications nationally has risen to 33,579 after 416 new deaths were reported. South Africa has recorded more than 973,000 recoveries so far, with over 7 million tests conducted in the country. The number of active cases nationally currently stands at 239,799. Authorities are urging all people living in South Africa to continue wearing masks, practice social distancing, and wash their hands regularly as well as sanitize. Addressing the country last night, President Cyril Ramaphosa announced that South Africa will remain on adjusted level 3 of the national lockdown to further curb the spread of the coronavirus. Ramaphosa says public gatherings have been prohibited across the country, except for funerals which must be attended by a maximum of 50 people. Meanwhile, 20 land borders have been closed, with access into South Africa for foreign nationals restricted until mid-February. Samkele Maseko has more.
South Africa is a land of opportunity for thousands of these foreign nationals. For those who are yet to enter the country, they will have to wait until mid-February. 20 South African land posts have been closed. Foreign nationals seeking a better life will have to wait until the second wave of the COVID-19 battle is over.
To reduce congestion and the high risk of transmission, Cabinet has decided that the 20 land ports of entry that are currently open will be closed until the 15th of February for general entry and departure.